AI can now create stunning and complex video animations like these completely on autopilot, because every example you see here was created autonomously by Claude, most of them taking just a single prompt, and Claude as the agent handled the layout, sequencing, and visuals all by itself. Like for this instance where I only gave it the website, and it downloaded the footage and images from that website, wrote the copy for the text, and assembled everything to create a video like this. And what is unique about agentic AI platforms like Claude Code is that you can give feedback to change specific parts of the video. Like when I requested it to change the text here, and it will do that autonomously. It does feel like we just entered a new phase of AI creation. And in this video, not only will I teach you how to set up the system for yourself, but I will also show you how to effectively use an agentic AI platform like Claude Code, even if you have zero technical background. Let's get started. Hey, if you're new here, my name is Jay. I spent a decade in creative and marketing work and half a decade leading data teams. I'm now operating our AI creative agency and RoboNuggets, our education arm, where we have several hundred members, all AI practitioners across the globe. And here our mission is to make creating with AI easy to learn for anyone, with AI training and certification that most people join for, but most members stay because of the strong community we have built. So when you run a creative and advertising agency, one of the dreams of the future is for us to be able to create great-looking videos for clients and our own brands without spending weeks buried in complicated video editing tools. This was an actual ad we launched for Virgin Active from a while back, and to make something like this, you'd need to learn pretty complex tools like Adobe After Effects. And although I've yet to determine if an AI agent like Claude Code can make a video as good as this, I think this development that Remotion just released is a step towards that. Because a few days ago, Remotion, who's been working on this tech for the past 5 years, just made this tweet. And you can see it already got almost 8 million views. And the reason why is because it's genuinely useful. The headline is that you can now instruct an AI agent to create your videos for you that is to the level of quality that we showed at the beginning of this lesson. And just to show you how it works once you have it set up, you can see I have Claude Code here at the right. And just by talking to it, it was able to create this video with all of these animations built in, with our logo also included in the video itself. And all of these animations and even the sourcing of the photos from our website, it was able to do automatically. And you can see the prompt I gave it is also quite simple. This is pretty much just me trying it out without much fine-tuning yet, where I just ask it to make a promo video for the Sweat app. I gave it a link to the website. I ask it to make sure that the photos and videos in that website are included, and a couple of other details here just to guide it in the very first prompt. Now, with just that one prompt, it was actually able to pretty much one-shot that whole video seamlessly. And in case you're curious, yes, it can do vertical videos also. And this one, in fact, I didn't fine-tune this. This is entirely one shot coming from just this simple request prompt where I wanted to see if it can make a promo video for Potato.com. I just asked it to make sure the brand colors and the brand fonts are aligned, and I gave it a key message to operate around. So just from this simple request, it was able to create a really good visualization of what we want. All right, so now that you know how powerful this setup can be, what I'll do in this lesson is I'll teach you in 3 parts. First, if you're in the creative field, it's very possible that you may get intimidated just by the name of Claude Code. So I'll explain that software simply to you, especially if you've never coded in your life, and why you shouldn't really be intimidated by it. Next is I'll teach you how to install this setup of having Claude Code with the Remotion skill, which is pretty much a plugin in our case. And finally, we're going to dive deep into how to Vibecreate these videos themselves. So if you've never dabbled in Claude Code, then this is a quick explainer. And my key message to you is that even though Claude Code has that code in its name, I don't think you should get intimidated by that. Because yes, it was originally designed by Anthropic for coding, but the way people are using it now, I think it can be argued that it's one of those very first platforms that are truly AI agentic. And this is a common trend that you will see more this year. So it's worth learning how to operate these platforms. And just to recap, a simple framework or mental model you can use to think about agents is as follows. If you've ever used an AI chatbot like ChatGPT, what it can do is it gives you the actions that you need to do. So if, for example, you want a video for your brand, what ChatGPT will give you are all the prompts and the how-to instructions of how to create that video. But when you can operate an AI agent like Claude Code, it actually does the actions for you. So if you want a video for your brand, it creates that video for you without you having to do the manual work yourself. And interestingly, this is actually a framework that I included in one of our previous videos from last year, but it's only really now that it's coming to fruition because of how far these agentic AI platforms have developed. And by the way, this is also the reason why there's now a massive interest in Claude Code and these agentic AI platforms. Enough so that if you look at Google Trends, the interest for Claude Code has now eclipsed that of N8N, which is a no-code platform. Now, N8N is still very much useful, but this just points to the fact that a lot of people are getting into Claude Code now despite never having coded in their life, precisely because it has expanded outside of just coding and into more creative fields like what we're about to dive in today. So with that said, how do you actually install Claude Code and that plugin we talked about so that you can get that set up where you can Vibecreate videos? And so in this part, there's basically 2 steps to it. First, I'll show you how to set up Claude Code, and then I'll show you how to set up the Remotion plugin or skill. Now, there's actually several ways to use Claude Code, but the one I would recommend is to do it via Visual Studio or VS Code for short. So if you go to their website, you can download it for free. And when you install it, you'll be greeted with this welcome page. And the only thing you need to do to install Claude Code is to go to this extensions, where if you search for Claude Code here, it should appear, and you'll be able to install it to your VS Code instance. So you can see I already have mine installed. And the way that you would bring up Claude Code is by clicking on this icon, and you can just chat to it similar as you would in any LLM that you use. Now, as of the time of this recording, we do need to have at least a pro subscription to Claude in order to use Claude Code. And for you to log in, you can just do that through this window. And you can see once you have that authorized, you now have your AI agent that you can speak to and have tasks done for you. And there's many ways to use Claude Code, but for this lesson, what we're going to do is to use that Remotion plugin, or skill is what they call it, so that we can make use of this powerful system that creates animations from just prompting. So how do you now install the Remotion skill into Claude Code? Well, since this space is pretty new, what you need to do is run this specific command in VS Code, and that will let you access Remotion from within Claude Code. And for you to do this, what you would need to do is to go to Terminal here at the top, click on New Terminal, and that will just open this bottom window where you can paste that command. Now, before you hit enter, for this to work, you do need 2 specific prerequisites that you need to install in your device. And don't worry, because these prerequisites are entirely free and you just need to download and install them once and you'll be set. And by the way, to make this easy, I just published this guide in the link below, just so you can have the links already ready for you to just click. So the very first one is Node.js, which basically lets you run this npx shortcut. So if you go to this link, you'll be able to download Node.js there. I do recommend for you to get the LTS or long-term support version because that's a bit more stable. And once you download this installer, you can just install it on your device. And the second prerequisite is Git, which basically lets you access Remotion's files over at GitHub, where they are hosting all of those files. So if you go to this link, you'll be able to choose your operating system and install it by downloading the latest version here. So once you have those prerequisites, you probably need to restart VS Code for it to reflect the changes that you've made. And once you run this command, it should now ask you to install the skills package, which is something that we need. So we just click on yes. So let me just expand it so that you can see from this drop down, you can just select Claude Code and you can either install it for just this specific project or for all of your projects. So you can choose project for now since you're still testing it out and just go for the recommended installation here. So now when that's done, you can see the Remotion skill or plugin was now installed to Claude Code. And you can confirm that Claude Code has access to this skill simply by asking it. So you can see I ask what skills it has access to, and it confirmed for me that it has access to Remotion. And by the way, just in case you got lost in all of those terminal coding jargon, the best way to troubleshoot it really is just talk to Claude Code as your agent to guide you through the setup guide itself, and also to copy in any errors from the terminal that you may encounter. But now for you to try out the Remotion plugin or skill, let's just prompt it with create a video using Remotion, and it will probably ask me if it can use the skill itself. There you go. So you can just click yes here. And this, by the way, is what's great about Claude Code, is because every step of the way, it asks you these questions in order to make sure that the output it gives you is as correct as it can be. And what's great about this process is it's also going to finish up the rest of the prerequisites for this setup. And since this setup is pretty low risk, you can just say yes to them, or you can even change this to edit automatically so that it just continues on with creating that setup for you. And the reason why it's working right now is because to use Remotion, we do need to create a project. So now it's just asking me to create a sample project. So let's just start with this Hello World one so we can get Remotion running. And by the way, you also don't need to completely 100% understand or even read these thinking processes that it's doing. It's similar to when you've hired an employee or an agent, let's say, where if you have an employee, it would be pretty difficult and honestly unideal if you need to review everything they're thinking before they can act on things. Ideally, what you want is to just review the output of your employee or your agent and give your feedback to that as the creator or the orchestrator of this whole system. And by the way, if you need a log of what exactly it is doing, you can see here it's actually given me a to-do list of what it is doing one by one. So you can see it's already done with setting up that Remotion project, and it tells me that it is now available for us to use. Now, for you to open up that visual video editor, all you really need to do is to ask it, It's going to guide us on how to do that. And what it now did for me is open up my browser and lead me into this visual video editor, where you can see it created a very simple hello world animation. And so now that you have that set up, it's now time for us to start Vibecreating videos. Well, if you open that browser app of Remotion, you can see it's pretty similar to other video editors that you may be used to. So now what we'll do, if you click on this left window button, it's going to open a window here that contains your compositions or projects. So what we're going to do is ask Claude Code to create a new video project for us to promote the Sweat app. So to do that, here you can see I just have Claude Code here on the right. We're going to try out the same prompt as we did earlier, where we are asking Claude Code to make a promo video for the Sweat app using what's available on their website. And the other thing we're asking it to do is to use the actual Sweat app logo to incorporate into the video. So for you to upload this file in Remotion and give Claude Code access to it, you can just head to this left window, click on Assets. And if we drag our file there, that should allow us to upload it and also preview it within this same window. So now that we have that, we'll fire this off and we'll see what Claude Code comes up with. And during this process, I do advise you to just follow along on what Claude Code is doing and also approve all the things that it's requesting you to do. Obviously, you can always change it to edit things automatically, but you can probably save that for later once you gain more trust with this application and agent. All right, so now we can preview the video that Claude Code just made for us. And just looking at this, you can see like there's already several scenes. All the motion graphics is done for us. It was able to use the Sweat app logo, source the videos from the website, and also follow our direction of the final call to action, which is the 50% off that we requested for. And what's great about this setup is that you can actually give feedback to Claude Code simply by sending it a message here. Or if you have a transcription app like Whisperflow or Aqua, which I use, you can also just talk to it. So for example, hey Claude, so this is great, but we actually wanted to have 75% off on March 2026 instead. So can you edit this project in order to do that? And once you send that off, Claude Code is now going to edit that video for you and adjust whatever it is that you need edited. There you go. You can actually see it just did that in real time, which is pretty good. And if, for example, you want the color tones to be, let's say, more of an orange hue, then that is also something that you can do. So before, to do this in something like After Effects, you need to understand how layers work and manually change the elements yourself. But because Claude Code now has access to this Remotion editor, it can actually apply those edits for you automatically. So now if I play this, you can see instead of having a pink color tone to it, it now has that orange hue because of what we requested it. So now once you're satisfied with this video, you can now hit render here at the right. And when you click render video, that will basically allow you to download that video straight to your device. And when that's done rendering, you could just click on this folder icon to find it in your device. And now we have that video fully rendered for us to use. And there you go. That is how you Vibecreate videos using Remotion built into Claude Code. This is probably not the last that we'll hear of this setup and the fact that you can now use AI agents to create videos and other creative media for you. So stay tuned for more because we're definitely going to cover that here at RoboNuggets. And as mentioned, if you need the step-by-step guide and all the links to set that up, you can just get that in the link below. And I also included a link to this custom GPT, which basically lets you write strong prompts for that specific setup if you want to get the best chance of one-shotting really great videos for Claude Code and Remotion. And as mentioned, all of the resources we featured here, you can access inside the RoboNuggets community, which if you're passionate about creating with AI and want to earn from that passion, then I encourage you to check it out. You get a lot of exclusive AI training courses here, including training certificates when you complete them. You can connect with a community of 1,000 plus AI practitioners who share paid opportunities and potential partnerships. And recently, we also teamed up with 570 plus of the top AI and SaaS tools to give massive savings and free credits for our annual members, which actually already cover the cost of membership. And finally, we run prized learning events too, like this one in December with a $3,000 prize pool. So check that out to see if that's for you, just in the link down below. And also, if you found value in this video, then consider subscribing because that helps us a lot to make more educational content like this. But that's it for this one. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.